Look at the picture. This is so beautiful picture of garden. This idea is very unique. You can decor your garden, do like this. This one is also a beautiful unique idea. You can decor like this your garden. And this one is also a beautiful picture of your garden. You can decor your garden to like. With the help of ghare papers, you can decor your corner like this. You can decor your garden do like this. A beautiful picture of garden with full beautiful colors. Look at the picture. This is so beautiful. You can decor your garden do like this with use some different items. This picture is also a unique. This is also a beautiful picture. Look at the sitting arrangements. You can hanging your flowers like this. You can hang your vegetables like this. Look at the sitting arrangement with different lighting. This one is also a beautiful picture. You can decor your room like this, your garden sitting area. This one is also a most beautiful picture of garden. Beautiful, beautiful picture of garden. Perfect combination. Tea with strawberry. Look at the basket. You can use this. Look at the baskets with full. You can decor your basket. Look at the hanging style. Look at this one is also a beautiful picture of garden. Each and everything is perfect. Wow, this one is also a beautiful picture. And this one is also a beautiful picture of garden. This one is also a beautiful picture of garden. This style is so much unique.